Good morning, children. Today I am going to start Unit 2, Addition and Subtraction of Large Numbers. Always remember, children, when you are adding or subtracting large numbers, then always remember that you have to add or subtract large numbers in the same way as you added or subtracted 5 digits and 6 digits numbers. So here I will tell you how to add more than 6 digit numbers, actually the large numbers. So here the 3 addends are here. Number 1 addend is 2,92,342. Second one 14,54,651. Third addend is 46,81,509. Now we have to firstly arrange these addends in a column in the place value chart. So firstly we have to write down the greatest addend, and the greatest addend is here 46,81,509. So it is written 46,81,509. Now second greatest is 14,54,651. So in the second number is 14,54,651, and the third is the least one, 2,92,342. So it's 2,92,342. Here in the 10 lakh place 0 is inserted, so in order to fill the places perfectly. So in this way these 3 addends are arranged in the column. These are columns. How many columns are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns are here for the 7 digit numbers. Now let's, according to the rule of the addition, we have to always start with the extreme right side with the smallest place value. So here we start with the ones place value, and in the ones place value is holding the 3 digits, 9 ones. I am showing this addition with the help of abacus, children. This is the abacus where each abacus, each one is representing the place value of the place value chart. So this one represents the ones, this is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So it is a model of the abacus. So let's start with the help of this abacus. It is ones place value. First digit is 9 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ones. Then after that 1 1, so 1. Then 2 ones, so 1 and 2. So let's count them together of the ones place value. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 ones. How much you get, children? 12 ones. 12 ones, it is having 1 10 and 2 ones. 1 tens and 2 ones. So 2 will be written in the ones place and 1 10 will be taken as a carryover. So here 2 will be in the ones place and 1 10 will be taken as a carryover in the tens place. So adding tens, it is, we are taking 1 10 plus 0 tens plus 5 tens plus 4 tens. How much? So 1 10 is already there, 0 tens means nothing. Then I am adding 5 tens. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens plus 4 tens. 1 2 3 4. So adding together, so how many bangles are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again it is 2 digit number. So 10 tens. 10 10 means it is having 100 and 0 tens. So 0 will be at the tens place and 100 will be taken as a carryover. So at the tens place will remain vacant as it has 0 and the 1 plus 1 is taken as a carryover. Now come to the 100 place. In the 100 place, it is adding hundreds plus 1 carryover plus 100 plus 500 plus 600 plus 300. So 100 is already there. So I am adding 500. 1 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Then I am adding 6 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600s. And now next is 300. So it is 100, 200 and 300. So adding them together, how many bangles are there in the hundreds place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1500s. 1500s means it is having 1000 because 10, 10, 100 and 500. 10, 10, 100 is equals 1000 children and 500. So 500 will come in the 100 column and 1000 will be 10, 10, 100 is equals 1000. So 1 will be taken as a carryover. Now here in the 100 column it is 500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 is a carryover in the thousands column. So now come to the thousands column. Adding thousands column, we take 1 plus 1000 carryover plus 1000 plus 4000 plus 2000. Now I am adding plus 1000. Now plus 4000. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 plus 2000. 1000, 2000. Now what do we get? Adding them all together. So by counting the bangles, how many bangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 8000. So this thousands place value is having 8000. So I am writing over 8. Now come to the 10,000. In 10,000 place, what are the digits is to be added? 8 10,000, 5 10,000 and 9 10,000. So let's start with the 8 10,000. 1 10,000, 2 10,000, 3 10,000, 4 10,000, 5 10,000, 6 10,000, 7 10,000, 8 10,000. Then after that it is 5 10,000. Now adding 5 10,000, 1 10,000, 2 10,000, 3 10,000, 4 10,000, 5 10,000. Now adding 9 10,000, 1 10,000, 2 10,000, 3 10,000, 4 10,000, 5 10,000, 6 10,000, 7 10,000, 8 10,000, 9 10,000. Adding the 10,000s together. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So it is 22 10,000. It means 22 10,000s. It means It means 22 10,000s means it is having 2 10,000s and 20 10,000. So 2 10,000 will come here in the 10,000 and 20 10,000 means it's 2 lakh. So 2 lakh will be taken as a carry over. So come to the 10,000, it is 2 10,000. And what is the carryover in lakhs place? 2 lakhs. Now adding this lakh, I will take this carryover plus 2 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 2 lakh. So it is I am adding plus 6 lakhs. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. And then 4 lakhs. 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. And then after that 2 lakhs. 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs. Now adding them together, how many lakhs are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 lakhs. 14 lakhs means it is having 110 lakh and 4 lakh. So 4 will come in the lakhs column and 110 lakh will be go as a carryover. So 4 will come in the lakhs column. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 110 lakh will go as a carry over in the 10 lakh column. Now adding this 10 lakh column, let's adding 10 lakh, 1 10 lakh plus 4 10 lakh plus 1 10 lakh. 1 10 lakh is already there. Now add 4 10 lakhs. 1 10 lakh, 2 10 lakh, 3 10 lakhs, 4 10 lakhs, and then 1 10 lakh. 1 10 lakhs, then 0 10 lakhs. It means total is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total is 610 lakh. So this is the sum of the addition of these three addends. So what does this abacus shows after the addition? It is having 610 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 2 10,000, 8,000, 500, 0 tens, 2 ones. How we will read it? 64 lakhs, 28,502. So this is the sum of this after adding these three large number addends. Children, let's take another example of same worksheet. Question number 1, chapter 2, B. So let's add these three addends. So firstly, how many addends are here? 1, 2 and 3. What are addends, children? I have told you earlier that addends are the number which are to be added to give the sum. So here these addends, we have to arrange it in a column first according in the place value chart. So according to the convenience, we have to arrange it in descending order. The greatest place value addend will be inserted first, and then after that second greatest, and then least one. So here the greatest addend is 49,85,389. I will insert this according to the place value chart. 9 ones, 8 tens, 3 hundreds, 5 thousands, 8 10,000s, 9 lakhs, 4 10 lakhs. Now then second largest 26 lakhs 14,758. So 8 ones, 5 tens, 700, 4,000, 1 10,000, 6 lakhs, 2 10 lakhs, and the least one is 4 lakhs 14,142. So 2 ones, 4 tens, 100, 4 thousands, 1 10,000s, 4 lakhs, and here the vacant is place is in 10 lakh, nothing is there, it means it is 0. Now let's do the addition. So according to the rule of the addition, we have to start from the extreme right side, the lowest place value digits. So here at the ones place, the digits are 9 ones plus 8 ones plus 2 ones. 9 plus 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, it is 19 ones. So 19 ones is having 1 10 and 9 ones. So 9 will be come in the ones column, and 1 10 will go as a carryover. Now adding this tens, I am taking this 1 10 carryover, 1 10 plus 8 10 plus 5 10 plus 4 10. So it is how much? It is 18 tens. So 18 tens is having 108 tens. So 8 will be here in tens place, and 1 will be go as a carryover in the hundreds place. Now adding hundreds, again taking the carryover 100 plus 300 plus 700 plus 100. It is 1200. So it has having 1200. So 200 will be in the hundreds column, and 1000 will go as a carryover here. So adding thousands, I will take 1000 as a carryover, 1000 plus 5000 plus 4000 plus 4000, it is 14,000. So it is having 1 10,000s and 4,000. So 4,000 will be come over here, and 1 10,000 will be taken as a carryover. We adding 10,000s, we take 1 10,000 carryover plus 8 10,000 plus 1 10,000 plus 1 10,000. 8 plus 1 9 plus 10 plus 1 11. It is 11 10,000. It is having 1 lakh 110,000. So it is 110,000 and 1 lakh will go as a carryover. Now adding lakhs, I will take 1 lakh as a carryover. 1 lakh plus 9 lakh plus 6 lakhs plus 4 lakh. It is total 20 lakh. So it is having 2 10 lakh and 0 lakh. So it is 0 lakhs and 2 10 lakh will go as a carryover. Now adding 10 lakhs, I will take 2 10 lakh as a carryover plus 4 10 lakh plus 2 10 lakh. So total 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 8 10 lakh. So this is the sum. So how we will read it? It is 80 lakhs 14,289. This is the sum of these three addends. In this way, children, you have to do worksheet number 1, question number 1, A, B, C as a classwork, and rest of the sum of question number 1 is your homework. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.